welcome to Online Q's, your YouTube channel for your online queries. Now, in this video, I'll show you how you can hide Facebook story from a specific person or, a group of people that you don't want to show your Facebook story for. So basically, the three viewing capability of your Facebook story is with the public, your friends, and yourself only. So the thing you can do is when you share it to your friends, you'll be sharing to all your Facebook friends, but you can also hide that certain Facebook story from a specific group of persons. So what you need to do is, get logged into your Facebook account on the Facebook app and click on Add to Story. And then you would need to locate the video that you want to share to. You can also share video, but your video has to be less than 10 seconds if you want to show the whole story. Then click on share to, and then you can already see that it's already friends accept over here, but you can choose to, by clicking here, you can choose to add more people to hide your story from. So I'm randomly going to click on these people you see here, and you can see that I have a list of people that I'm hiding the story from, and click on back and it will update the list. So I'm going to share now, and you can see that your stories will not be shown to the list of people that you want to hide your Facebook story from. So this Facebook story has to be added from your Facebook app on your mobile phone, so you can't be doing it from something else. And when you do that, you can hide specific story from a group of people, a person, or just you want to show it to yourself. So that's how you can easily do it. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on our channel.